Hello everyone, welcome to Aptitude Jab. This is a logical DI based on the concept of ratios. It says that there are six friends. They watched a certain number of movies in 2016 to 2020, and the movies were either English or Hindi movies. And this table gives you the ratio of the number of English movies and Hindi movies watched by these people, right? Hindi to English ratio. Okay, the ratio is Hindi to English. Now these are the four questions related to this table which is given over here. The first question says that which of the following cannot be the total number of Hindi movies watched by all the six friends in 2015. Okay, so if you see like since the numbers given are small, okay, so if you see this the minimum ratio, if you take the minimum, so number of Hindi movies watched by all of them will be minimum 5 plus 3 plus 2 10 11 16 17, right? So 17 is the minimum. Okay, now can someone watch one more extra Hindi movie? Yes, Jaya can watch one more extra movie. So 18 is also possible. Okay, and then 20 is the another option. Let us say Chitresh watches two more movies. So 2:1 could mean that two Hindi, one English, or it could also mean four Hindi and two English, right? So you can add two more to it, right? So the answer will be none of the above. So any number after 17 is possible. 17 is the minimum, and any integer after 17 is possible. Next question, if the total number of movies watched by all friends is 431, then find the number of movies watched by Ankit. Now in this case, let's do the same thing again. We will find the least number of movies, because whenever such questions are given where a specific number is given, it has something to do with the least number of items. Okay, so let us use the ratios to find out the least number of movies watched by them. So just add them. You will have to add all these ratios: 8 3 11 20 30 36 38. Okay, 8 9 17 26 31 31 34 39. Okay, 3 18 54 74 84 89 4 22 49 54 69 77 24 27 30 35 45 53 and 8 32 95 120 128 133. If these are the minimum number of movies watched by these people. Okay, so let us add these numbers and see if we are getting a number close to 431. So if you see this, it is 77 77 154 154 296 429. So we are getting the total as 429. Okay, so minimum these all will watch 429 movies in these 6 years. Now total number of movies watched by them is 431. We have to find the number of movies watched by Ankit. Okay, now minimum is 429. We have to increase by 2. Okay, it is 429 plus 2. Now we will have to search for a person who watches two movies. Who could be that person who watches two movies? That person should have a ratio 1:1, because 1 plus 1 will be 2. Okay, two extra movies means two extra movies. Okay, in others, if we add, let us say Chitresh. So if I add 2:1, we have taken the minimum 3, right? So the next number would be 6, yani ki 3 more. Okay, so only if you see two extra movies are in Ankit. Okay, so that means he is the one who would increase the number to this, so he would have watched 40 movies. These two extra movies will be both from Ankit, so 40 movies by Ankit. If the number of movies watched by Karan in 2016 and 18 is the same, and this is true for all friends except Leela, then the total number of English movies watched in 2016 is at least. So basically what we have to do is we have to discard Leela, and for all others we have to equate the ratios 2016 to 18. Okay, so we will equate the ratios and get the numbers. It is asking the English movies watched in 2016. Okay. Now if you see, this is 3 and 10. If you have to equate it, it should become 30 and 30. So you will multiply this by, if it is 3 and 10, we have to equate. So it should be 30 and 30. Okay. So we have to multiply, we have to find English movies in 2016, right? So we are not concerned about this number. Okay. So we are multiplying it by 10. So this number becomes 20 here. Okay. This is 9 and 5. So it needs to be multiplied by 5. So the number will be 35 here. This is 20 and 15, right? So 15, 20, LCM will become 60, right? So you have to multiply by 4. That means this will be 44. 18 and 5, you have to multiply by 5. So this number will be 25. 3 and 5, which is 15. Okay, so you need to multiply by 5. So this number becomes 5. So if you add this, what do you get? 55, 99, 99 plus 30, that will be 129. 129 will be the least number of movies. Wait. We have to find for this person also. Okay, although the condition is not for Leela, but we will have to find for Leela also, because it is saying the total number of English movies watched in 2016. So Leela, we discarded that the number is not equal, but we will keep the minimum. So that it will take 7 more. So the answer will be 136. Okay, so that will be the answer to this. Next question. If the ratio of the number of movies watched in 2019 by Barkha and Jaya is 5:17. Okay. 2019 by Barkha and Jaya. Which of the following can be the total number of English movies watched in 2019 by Barkha and Jaya? Okay, so we have to find a possible number of movies. Okay, so let us say the number of movies watched by Barkha and Jaya is 5:17. Okay, so it has to be a multiple of 3, it has to be a multiple of 15. Okay, suppose Barkha watches 3 N movies and Jaya watches 15 N movies, isn't it? So we'll take another variable. So let us say 3A and 15B, because these are separate ratios. Okay, because it has to be a multiple of 3, it has to be a multiple of 15. So this is equal to 5/17. Okay, so can we get A ratio B? So A ratio B, if you take, A ratio B is 25/17. Okay, so A ratio B is 25/17. Now if you see the number of English movies, we have to find the total number of English movies, okay, by Barkha and Jaya. So Barkha is watching, if you take 3A, so this is A, and if you see this is 2 and it is B. Okay, so it is 2B, that is the number of English movies. A is 25. If you put the minimum values, you get 59. So 59 is a possible answer. And since it is asking which of the following could be a number, among the given options, it is the only possible number of movies. So it's a very good set based on the concept of ratios, how to find the minimum numbers, how to increase the numbers using the respective ratio, etc. So please do tell how much time you took to solve this question.